Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell, and this is part 2, unexpectedly. I don't know about you, but to me, this looks like a dragon body, and that looks like his head, or her head. And so I'm going to continue to mess with that, doing whatever it takes. I have a little bit of green, wintergreen, prism pour, and I'm going to try and put an eye in there. And I've got some Meeden Black. I'm going to put a nostril in there. I want to put an ear. And I've got a little bit of frosted berry. Just putting some make out that there's an ear on the other side. Match them up. I want to put a little dot of black down the middle of that eye and then a little white dot inside. That might be too much or not enough. I have some Meeden white. I think I might want an eyelid. Just a little line under and over. Here's my pink. I'm going to put a little bit of that frosted berry. Right in that ear. It might be a little too pink. So just pick some up. I could put some horns up there if I wanted to, but in the meantime, I'm just going to think about it. I've got that white. So I can put a snaggletooth right there. I don't think that white was shaken very well. So I'm going to use a little more. I had filaments, so I used some gauze. I like a dry canvas to work on. There, that's actually pretty cute. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put an arm. I figure this is a sky dragon. Looks like it's in clouds. Just make balls where the finger joints would be and drag it down in. I'll put the other one down here. Just make a triangle for where the forearm, excuse me, the shoulder area. And then a ball. Can always fill it in later. Fill it out later, rather. I'm going to give him five fingers. Hopefully you can see some of that. My head isn't blocking anything. That's pretty cool. I'm liking that. That looks more like an elbow, which is fine. Now I have to decide if I'm going to do a leg. I might be better off without a leg. I'm thinking I might want some gold. Or maybe I should just leave it and put some scales in. I'll leave it sort of abstract, impressionist. Kind of want this to be the tail. Probably be faster with a brush, but I'm used to using a skewer, so it doesn't bother me. Hopefully it doesn't bother you either. I did a video where I made dragon scales just like that, or similar to that. So I'm going to put a bottom to that tail. So he's got a white tip on his tail, or her. So I'm just going to put a dot in for where I want each of the spikes to be. And then I'll go back, fill them out. If I wanted to, I could probably make them look perfect, but I don't think it's bothering me any. But I think I might put a couple spikes up here, one down, one here to make it look as though the neck goes behind. Those could be a big gold ruff. Maybe one more. I'm going to try and make sure not to stick my hand in this. I'm going to make a little stash or whatever it is. I don't know what those are called on dragons. Somebody knows. Use the sharp end. Actually, why don't I just continue that? A couple of those never hurt anybody. I'll imply that there's one on each side by making it available to be seen on that side. Pretty cool. I think I want to join these up. I'm not sure it's a good idea yet, but I'm going to try it anyway. Better to let the paint set there for a minute. Better to add it than to have it blob out. Just keep adding. More spikes. kind of want one right here. And I like this, what seems to be a mane. I don't want to go too far. I'd like them to give the impression of being caught in the cloud. I don't know what that is. Must be something I put in there. Alright, I'm getting a little too fussy here. I might as well finish what I started down here though. Trying to be have ever such a light touch. White-tailed dragon. Sounds like a bunny. A funky bunny. Hop along the dragon. Okay, well I'm pretty happy with that, I have to say. I might want a little bit of gold. On that tail. Just because I can. It's Mayan gold. It's a prism pour. So it's no longer a white-tailed dragon, now it's a gold-tailed dragon. I like this detail. Makes me want to go further. I'm liking it a lot. I'm going to fatten up that tail a little bit though. So I'm imagining that if you wanted to do this, you could do that sweeping S shape that I made to begin with. And as long as you get something even vaguely dragon shaped, I would imagine you could do something with it. I want more Mayan gold. I like the gold. I always like gold though. So what should I tell you guys? I love you. There's over 2,600 videos, probably 2,700 by now. I'm beginning to think it's a girl because she's pretty. How about a gold tip on her ear? There we go. There's my dragon. I don't think I forgot anything. I could probably put gold tips on the claws too. Making certain that it's a girl now, because she's got pretty nails. Ahead of time. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. No, I post at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time right at the moment, 7 days a week. No, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for the thumbs up. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, please do. If you're interested in helping me out, you could share my videos. That's a big assistance. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. You can contact me through my email, easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you'd like to have information about taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, it's private, one-on-one, or maybe purchasing an artwork. If you check my link tree, underneath Show More, you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping. The same as the link tree has links for Society 6 and everything else, including my website, which I'm trying to replace. My Amazon link is on the link tree, or you can find my 2 books there. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I want to thank you guys for all the donations in the past that helped keep me painting through PayPal. It's an icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Thank you so much. Check out my community board by going to my channel and see what tomorrow's video is. If you have questions, that's fine to ask. I'm happy to help you. If I can, I will. All right. I love you guys. I don't know what I've forgotten. Spring clothing underneath the video. And maybe I should at least try and zoom in a little bit. That would be clever of me, huh? Let's see if I can zoom in on that head and move it down a little bit. I don't know if there's any point in shimmering anything at you because it's just going to be the gold. But I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Maybe tomorrow. See you. See you anon. I said that. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you. Silly goose that I am.